First thing I broke is the key turner is missing. So all I did was pull up the plug and I found a little fuse. And in order to start it, I just complete the circuit like this. That's the off position. Turn it on. Briggs Stratton. No problem. It's under the seat. That's where you put the gas in, under the seat. Just like to put it up. Kill switch. That works. So things break as you go, so you gotta fix them. But so far so good. The motor's not straight, but it works. All right, I'll get back to work.